So Danielle sends me this article about how many clothes should we actually own from Vogue, and it's about how much the clothing industry contributes to the destruction of this planet. Us buying clothes, the manufacturers dyeing clothes, the products can be harmful for the environment, and the factories piping out, chemicals into the air and into the water, to us throwing our clothes away, fast fashion, even not fast fashion. You could own something for a couple years and still you end up throwing it away, and there's just heaps of garbage filled with clothes. So how many clothes do we actually own? This is really tough for me because I work in the fashion industry and I struggle with this. Like, soon as I got out of college, environmental, eco-friendly, everyone really started to shift, and I started to learn more about how fast fashion was contributing to destruction of the earth, and here I am trying to make money by selling people clothes. So what I do for myself personally is I focus on like a wardrobe capsule, and that's owning a certain amount of pieces, tops and bottoms and outerwear and all your little trinkets, only a certain amount, and you rotate through that and you can create 50 to 100 outfits just by rotating the pieces out. That's really cool because you don't need to go and buy, a complete new outfit for different events and different activities. You can work with something that's in your wardrobe. The other thing is you don't always need to buy new. Buying new is what's contributing to more consumption, and that's adding to environmental strains. So you can go and look at thrifting, get a group with your friends and maybe rotate out clothes there. So that's really helpful. There are more eco-friendly companies out there, fashion companies nowadays, that are focusing on like fair trade with their manufacturers and using more eco-friendly product, but still I would look at the first 2 points before you go and shop. So here at Scrunchify, like, why would we be talking about consuming in environmental things? Well, for one, we're a little bit crunchy, a little bit hippie, and we love the environment. On the other side, we are thinking about financial freedom and financial independence, keeping more money in our pocket. And so when we think about the environment, the best thing to do is not consume, not contribute to the manufacturing of new products. So us keeping more money in our pocket actually helps the environment, and this is like really true for fashion as well. I know we want to go and get the newest things that we see. You walk in Target and it's like the new season, and you're like, oh well, that's cute, that's cute, that's cute. Why don't I just get a couple things here and there? Well, that really adds up, and I'm sure you could look in your closet. When I met my husband, he had 2 full closets full of clothing, and that was more than me, and I work in the fashion industry. And I just could see like consumerism and fast fashion and all that ends up in the landfill one day, and it's really sad. So if you can have a more environmental mindset when you're shopping and not buying, it'll help you in the long run because it'll keep you out of consumer debt, more money in your pocket, and it'll help the environment. And look at this, I have to do laundry. Here I am talking about fast fashion and consuming clothing, right? It's like the less clothing you buy, the less laundry you have to do. Wear your clothes more than once. A lot of other cultures do that. We think we have to wear something different every day, and we don't, and it actually contributes to the wear and tear of your clothes even more. It's not about like gentle cycle. Don't buy as many clothes. Keep the money in your pocket. Don't do as much laundry. Try a capsule wardrobe. Try to put your clothing together fresh and new every day with new outfits.